अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू इनसाइड फ्यूज़। आज ISSB टेस्ट सीरीज़ के अंदर हम नेगेटिव वैट को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो बेसिकली आपने एक ब्लैंक पेज लेना है अभी और 10 सेकंड होंगे आपके पास। उन 10 सेकंड के अंदर आपने एक सेंटेंस बनाना है और उसके बाद आपको सॉल्व सेंटेंस में दिखाऊंगा। कुछ टिप्स आपको मैं दूंगा, तो आपने अपने सेंटेंस को पॉजिटिव रखना है, छोटा रखना है। ज़रूरी नहीं है जो वर्ड गिवन है आप उसको यूज़ भी करें सेंटेंस के अंदर। आपने कोई नेगेटिव वर्ड स्किप नहीं करना। आपने जनरल नॉलेज यूज़ करनी है अपनी और प्रैक्टिस करनी है बार बार। सो गेट रेडी। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ अटैक, हमला करना। So, I attacked a wild dog. Pakistan attacked terrorists. Attack each day with energy and purpose. Pakistan Army counter-attacked Indian Army's attack at Lahore in 1965. Offense. He committed an offense by lying. Don't do offense against the state. Pakistan is countering the offense of 5th generation warfare. Indian offense was repulsed by the readiness of Pakistan Army. Torture. The prisoners were subjected to inhuman torture, the act of causing severe physical or mental pain. Choose compassion over torture to bring peace and healing. Having torture cell in the violation of UN Charter of Human Rights. Bully. I have a bully dog. Stand up against bully and fight against them. The bully made the life miserable for many students. Stand up to a bully by promoting empathy and respect. Suicide. The thought of suicide can feel overwhelming. Speak up about suicide to save lives. Suicide leaves lasting pain for loved ones. Hope and support prevent suicidal globally. Delay. The delay in response frustrated the customers. Pakistan government always delays tasks. Delay can disrupt well-laid plans. Delay is an opportunity to refine and perfect your work. Fear. He fears ghosts. Transform fear into courage. His fear of failure prevented him from taking risks. Pakistan Army is a fearless army in this world. Guilty. She felt guilty for breaking her promise. Learn from past mistakes and transform guilty feeling into positive actions. Use guilt as motivator to make positive global contribution. Never have guilt or regret. Poverty. Poverty forced the family to live in harsh conditions. Poverty leads to crime. Overcome poverty with education and hard work. Combat poverty with sustainable development and global partnership. Hate. Hate breeds division and conflict amongst people. His hate for our opposing team was evident from his behavior. Hate negativity around the world, replace it with positivity. Transform hate into love by seeking understanding and peace. Thank you for watching. Watch the part 2, VAT negative sentence. Like, share and subscribe. Insight Views. I thank you all.